Make sure you know, ask about us, man. Niggas saving money in America, baby.
Jesus Christ. I wonder if that feather is from the same bird that shat all over homeboy's car. Oh, what a nuisance. What's up, what's good, YouTube, the World Wide Web? Sorry if it's hella windy, you guys can't hear me, but it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, live outside of the thrift store. Yo, man, the homie that I ran into at the last store, came through and found this Chaps Grail live in the trenches. This thing is super dope. Chaps Ralph Lauren, two-tone. That's a hell of a find, brother. Hell of a find. You're not in it, but your hand is.
Appreciate it.
Hell yeah, man. All right, y'all, so shout out the homie, man. 3 of the last times I went thrifting, I've seen the same dude. That's crazy, bro. I don't know, we're on the same wavelength in the same stores. They got this Polo sport jacket, super hard. Put that thing in sport. The price is super insane, $25, bro. Tripping. They're pretty out of line for that price point. This is a newer Polo sport piece too.
Look at it.
I'd really have to think about it if I were to pull the trigger on that guy, because they are tripping.
Personal foul, tripping by the offense number 15.
Oh my Lord Jesus Christ. They got another one. What on earth? Oh no. Tripping. See, like this piece, for example, DC United. $13 for this Adidas jacket. I got a few essential Adidas jackets on site for like 16 or 17 bucks. So the fact that the Thrift is selling this for 13 is just straight stupid. Stupid. And it got like high-key vomit on it. Oh dude, how fitting. They got that DePaul tennis. In case y'all ain't know, I got my own university.
With a championship winning coach from DePaul, Mark Artizone, first Big East championship. First off, coach, congratulations.
Fuck with me.
What else we got going on over here? Oh, a whole lot of Tommy Hilfiger heat. $13 with the explosive diarrhea residue? Oh, Lord have mercy. No, man. I'm not buying Tommy pieces with shark for 13 darts. They tripping. Yes, yes. Guys, I'm persevering through their tripping prices and finding some low-key heaters. All right, dude, actually, this is a high-key heater, bro. It's the vintage Umbro, gets you hella host, Ajax or Ajax Amsterdam. Vintage soccer jersey, you guys know, or if you don't know now, you know. I grew up playing soccer. This is just a crazy piece. Look at that like Moto denim shutter texture. Thing looking like some blinds, brothers. Nothing on the back, even more beautiful. You can interpret it to be any player that you want. This is art, baby. It's art.
This is what you interpret it to be.
Oh yes, yes sir, baby. Hey, diligence and perseverance pays off. Look at that, they got my boy Bart all up in the building. This is crazy. Oh, got some slight little skeet on the back of his skull, bro.
That's nasty.
Dude, this is so fire. I want to build up the whole Simpsons plush collection, and we got Bart in the building. That's why I check the plushes, Papa. That's why I check them. Bro, what is going on over here? All right, guys, I'm getting lit up in this store right now. I'm getting stoked up in this store right now. Look at this, dude. You have the vintage Sam the Olympic Eagle, I guess. Look at that booty. Look at them tail feathers. Wallace Burnett Company. This is from the 1988 Olympics. Wow, this was licensed in 1980. It's brand new with tags, and you really can tell by how old that tag looks right there. That thing looking like the Declaration of Independence on the back of this ass, bird ass. Yeah, I gotta get this. And I found this unique looking Sailor Mini, so gotta get that. She's gonna, whoa, don't fumble. She's gonna be on the home section of Thrift Heaven for all my little Minnie Mouse fans, all right? Banger. Dang, guys. Man, shout out the homie for real. He just dipped out the store, and he left me the Chaps Ralph Lauren jacket. He said the line was deep. It actually is. Like, he's been in line since I've been in this store, and you guys have seen me accumulate stuff. He still hadn't left yet. So I mean, this is a crazy piece, man. I appreciate him blessing me with this gem. He's gonna pull up to the pop-up September 15th, so I will bestow some blessings back, of course. Yeah, man, good dude, bro. It's crazy. Oh Lord, guys, I love it. Man, I love it, baby. Sorry if it's windy and you can't hear me, but hey, I got a lot of heat up in that store, daddy. You guys already know what time it is, man. On to the next. And alrighty, class, we're in the next store right now, and we got a couple jacket bangers to start off this store's finds with. got the Green Bay Packers, Brett Favre.
35, 19 seconds left. Ball pumps, throws, touchdown!
Signed embroidered jacket right there, Packers. This is by a pro star, and then you got the pro players. So everything in here is strictly professional. This is crazy. University of Texas, my alma mater, you dig. I've never seen navy blue combined on a Texas jacket, and I like it. Yeah. Oh man, baby. I don't gotta lose one testicle to be an all-time pro on the bike though, because this is all the motivation I need. You have the Looney Tunes encrusted Giordana dope little bike jersey. Dog, this is crazy. That high key would be me flying off the handlebars. You got Taz just eating trophies. Oh my gosh, bro. That's a banger. I'm about to get a bike. I'm going pro. Fact. Ooh, wild thing. You make my heart sing. Look at that tag and look at those ferocious creatures. Why does this dude look like he has a mental disability? Probably because this dude headbutted him. It's fire though. Oh, you guys know what time it is, man. The sleeve never deceives. Boy, look at that rabbit. Oh my gosh, how delicious and nutritious. You got the Nesquik chocolate milk bunny right here on this all embroidered little NASCAR jacket. Bro, this is insane. Look at this jacket, guys. This is like a youth double XL. I don't know. I feel like that would definitely fit a low-key midget adult chick. So that's fire. I gotta grab this, dude. This is delicious. Absolutely scrumptious.
Ура! Сеанс приключений начинается! Добавляем шоколадного настроения! С шоколадками Nesquik мультики интереснее!
Dang, fellas. Look at that little Nautica jacket. It's like a bomber style. It is thebomb.com. Oh. Hey, this shirt is hard, dude. You got Biggie Smalls in a Coogee jersey looking like Pat Ewing on the cool. Bro, I gotta get this little caricature tee. That's fire. Oh yes, baby. They got the Halloween racks out, my favorite time of the year. Hey, also, man, I found this crazy piece by Ralph Lauren. It's doing a lot, but at the same time, just enough. Oh my God, dude, we're saucing like a dolphin, and fishes get you hella bitches. You got Marlin's whole lineage. Nemo was piping hella clownettes in the seas of Australia. This is beautiful, man. I love it. Guys, this logo is outrageous. This is why I love vintage gear. Like, you can see that from a mile away. I can see that bushing from a mile away.
I can see that bushing from a mile away. Say it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My children. You know what time it is when I see that prisoner looking fit. You know what time it is, baby. You know what time it is. Bro, are you joking me? Guys, I legit have only gotten this far and already have came up on a Guess Grail live in the Thrift. Oh my gosh. You guessed it. Woo. You was right. Guys, this piece is so fire. The embroidery is crazy. The colorway is clean. Perfect for the fall, winter. My size. Oh my God. That's a firecracker. Boom. All right, class. So we have entered the next thrift, which is the family thrift. And oh my God, blessings and abundance, man. And like a South Beach type of color scheme, you have this dope vintage Nike jacket. Look at this, bro. They got the little kangaroos. Oh, come on, man. Full fit? Are you joking me? It's crazy. Now they're asking 10 bucks for this Nike jacket. It is not vintage. It is newer, but this is the shit like manure, daddy. Look at that. You got the little pink hit aqua zippers. You got the aqua pink Nike size large. I gotta get it. Now I accumulated a few other pieces. I kind of stopped in. I didn't know if I would record or not, but there's just so much gravy, so much sauce. There's too much sauce. That of course I had to record. So you got the Mountain Dog Tee. Shout out the dog from Toy Story. Right here. Golden Retriever, Air Bud. You just have a bunch of famous dogs. Now I got a couple football jerseys. Rest in peace to a legend. You got the Cedric Benson jersey. He did recently die in a motorcycle accident. He went to my school, University of Texas. So I'm gonna grab this in remembrance. That's gonna be in the personal collection for a minute.
Tight ends, and they're going to give it to Benson. Cuts back against the grain. Gets a block. Touchdown.
I got a couple tie-dye shirts. This Disney 2015 tee. I don't even care that it says 2015. It got Goofy in a Buzz Lightyear outfit, and you guys know I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Okay, we also got a really dope Disney shirt right here. It has all of the figures across multiple Disney genres. You have the tram. It's a Disney World tee with everybody included. What? Goofy? And then you got Buzz right there. So I guess Goofy hadn't swagger jack Buzz at this point yet in his career. And then you got the Davis jersey. I do believe his first name is Terrell Davis, if I am correct. Vintage Logo Athletics, so I'm gonna get this dude as well. I love vintage football jerseys. Some people snooze on them, but I wouldn't because they're gas. Oh man, my children, I just scooped some long dong sleeve heaters, bro. One of them's old school. It is the And1 basketball. Yellow long sleeve. A lot of you guys are like born after 2000, which is crazy to think about. So I'm sure you guys did not watch And1 mixtapes back in the day, but bro, those And1 mixtapes went off.
Hey, what's merging? This E40 under dig, yeah. And I'm checking out this And1 mixtape, man. Yeah, it's real got Cantu, you know?
But for you youngins, we got a newer, much newer piece. You got the Deadpool T. This dude is leaving hella shell casings at the crime scene, riding a pink unicorn, and it says Deadpool on both sleeves. Dude, this thing is like $3. Oh, that's in Asian languages. Yeah. Oh my God, children. We're gonna have to color match. Look at this golden retriever fur. And look at this golden Patagonia.
I love gold.
Fleece jacket. Bro, this thing is a swagasm and it's $6. Let's go. Oh no, not like this, man. Somebody free my boy Goofy. I know I hated Goofy especially, but not like this. Don't suffocate my brother. Oh, they got the small soldiers? Psh, you already know. Why is it $5, bro? Oh, no. Not like this either. Tripping. All right, they got another bag right here. All right, man, so we got another dude from Small Soldiers. Shout out my boy Chip Hazard, though, man.
Major Chip Hazard. Gorgonite scum.
Look at that cut. But my boy over here, what is this guy's name?
Nick Nitro's battery has run out, but his memory will keep going and going and going.
Yeah, he got that mohawk. Dude, their toy section is banging in here right now. Look at that, dead stock Ninja Turtles. Also, that's Goldberg, I just realized. But they got Power Rangers all up in here. They got my boy Woody. I used to have this Woody toy as a kid. Dude, more Power Rangers. Look at this shark. That boy on roids. But each one of these bags is like $5. What? Like, they have some banging toys. I'm pretty sure these are from like '95, and they got wrestling toys with the NWO dudes. They got a ref right there. You got another NWO dude, a Harley toy, that swole shark right here. Oh, it is annoying. These are like combined in the worst possible ways. And each bag is $6. Tripping. So I have like $30 worth of toys in here. Like, look at this swole Mighty Ducks, dude. Dude, I have no idea why there's taxation without representation happening in here. I'm gonna see if I can take out individual figures because, bro, these prices are stupid on these little bags of toys. Oh, but I need them. Fuck. All right, guys, man, we out of there. Good God, I got 2 bags full of stuff. Unfortunately, they were charging a little grip for those toys. I asked if I could combine them so that way the bags would have everything that I desired ideally in them. However, they just weren't with it. So it is what it is. I also saw this crazy, this crazy Lego set in there. And they were charging 20 bucks. And I was like, you know what? I want to see if all the pieces are in it. Guys, they opened the box And inside were binders and like 80s or 90s keyboards. Ooh, I almost got finessed so hard. But I really want the box as decoration, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow and see if they will sell me just a box. Whatever, dude, it's crazy out here in these streets. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, leave the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked and loaded, and I'm gone.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.